Check out my pasta dish with some amazing fresh mussels and a delicious white wine sauce. Alright, we're going to start by prepping our vegetables. I've got 2 chilies here. I removed the seeds because I can't handle spice. If you like spice, leave them in there. Chop that up with 1 tomato. I've got a beautiful plum tomato here. Remove the core and then I just chop it up into nice big chunks. A good big bunch of parsley, chop that up nice and fine, and then we're going to salt our pasta water and then go in with our pasta. That's going to take around 6 to 7 minutes to cook, so we're going to make our sauce in the meanwhile. A healthy amount of olive oil, we're going to go in with our tomatoes and then some beautiful white wine. Once the wine has cooked out and the tomatoes have softened, I like to just smush the tomatoes and really maximize the flavor. A nice tablespoon of garlic, followed by some salt, squeeze of lemon, and of course the chilies as well. Let that cook out for about a minute or 2, and then we're going to go in with a knob of butter and our beautiful fresh mussels. The mussels won't take long to cook, so once they've opened up after about a minute or 2, we're going to go in with our pasta. There's no need to strain them, we want that starchy water in with it. A nice generous handful of fresh parsley, and of course that beautiful starchy salty pasta water is going to go in there to finish the sauce off. And that's it. All you have to do is pop that into a nice serving dish and be prepared to wow your guests with this dish. It's super simple, super delicious, and so easy to make. Please hit that like, subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw. Thanks a lot for watching.